Have we just entered a bear market? I want to talk about the market, talk about the altcoins, Bitcoin. I'm going to do this quick. Welcome back to Cryptogains. Have to drop this real quick. Not financial advice, but see it as good research. Take a look at this. We are right now in extreme fear. If you've been watching my channel, when it comes to analysis videos, these, ones like this, there's or even that one there as well, if you like, and things like these, I've been saying to you that I've been personally expecting prices to fall this low, and I'll go through the charts in a second. I want to be quick on this, but we are in extreme fear. And this is the area, like yesterday it said we was a 10, today we're 16, we're both extreme fear. It's funny to think a month ago we was in greed and extreme greed. This is the time where smart money is buying incredible amounts of cryptocurrency. Smart money does not like to buy when the market is greedy. They want to buy when it's in extreme fear. Right? That's the first thing, plain and simple. So you take that however you want to take it. Over the last sort of few weeks, I've been buying lots of crypto because I don't think it's over yet. I know the title said bear market confirmed. I don't think it is. Many people are saying that it's over, we're in a bear market. Let's take a look at this. I said in my last video that we could come down to this green line, or at the worst, fall down to this orange line, which puts us about $75,000 for a Bitcoin. Hasn't touched it yet. But we've come close to where I believed we could come down to, right? Literally almost there. So many people are talking about the CME gap. I don't know where that is, maybe 77,000. But I just look at it plain and simple. It's just simple like this. At the worst case, back in March, we had a little blow off top here. We shot up so incredibly high, blow off top. Then we called, well, it's not really blow off top because that's like up and down parabolic. Yeah, movements. But we did come up and see a little top here at that time, and then we called off. We came down to this sort of orangey line, and we held body candles there. We did see a wick through, but we held body candles there. I think that this will be the same thing. I think at the worst, we could come down to this orange line. I don't think the bull market's over yet. I said we will pierce when it comes to these right here, the EMA ribbons, that we could pierce straight into these, really deep into these lines. But we're not seeing no tangle of no ribbons. We did this in the last, massive rally here back in March 2024, and then look, we called off, we came into these ribbons, there was no tangle, the yellow line stayed above, and I'm expecting this yellow line, even though it's curving right now, I expect the yellow line to stay above. We could see a healthy pull back up in a bit, maybe like some form of a V-shaped recovery for Bitcoin, and then that will basically make the market feel more calm and relaxed and like, oh, okay, it was just a big sell-off. Think about it though, when we have big sell-offs, especially in a bull rally, we tend to see 30, 40, 50% dumps, right? And look at how many times this happened in the past. So we saw one back here when prices went really sky high, it fell right into the ribbons, 34%, and there was another one here. How high did this go and how low did it drop? Sorry, it went right into the ribbons, about 35%. Most of them are like 35 to 40%. So actually that was deeper. Look, that actually went straight through the ribbons right down here. I didn't see that. So that was like almost 39, 40%. And you're going to see this as we shoot up. Things can't just go up. I think people come into this space brand new, you're not new, you're not in crypto long, and you just think that it's up only. But it's not up only. What happens is smart money takes profits when we're in greed or extreme greed. And then it goes to extreme fear. They play with your emotions. YouTubers get pissed off. They start making silly videos on other YouTubers. Other people in the comments start saying things about people because you shared me this coin and it fell down in price. They don't say it when you share on coins that make you money. They only say things in your comments and stuff when you make it when you share a coin that they buy it at a wrong time and it falls in price. Emotions are the most powerful thing with people. People can get hit with their emotions so hard when investing in crypto. If you can't stomach it, then don't do it. Don't invest. But right now we're in extreme fear, and this is what the market wants. This is what the market makers, the market movers want. They want extreme fear, so then you can sell all your crypto so they can buy it cheap. We will see what happens in the coming weeks. I'll keep you up to date, but this is what I've been expecting all along, and I'm waiting for Bitcoin at the worst case to come down to this orange line. Even if it pierces through, I think the bodied candle, like what we saw here, bodied candles will hold above this orange line, and then we might see, just like what we saw here, a nice little V-shaped recovery. Let me make that yellow so you can see what I've drawn. Just a V-shaped recovery, come back up, and then the market's all happy again. But we will, I think this next final rally that we see, if we see one, which I believe we will, is probably be our last. It'll probably be our last final push up, and that's it. Then I think the market will have its blow off top, and then you should be prepared to take some profits. If you're not, find someone that can help you learn the charts, learn where you are in the market. I'm one of them. Like and subscribe if it's helpful. If you need guidance on when to sell, because, you know, we can't tell people when to sell. No one's a financial advisor, but I can sure as hell show you when I'm selling. And if you want to see when I'm selling, become a Patreon. Links in the info section. I'm going to leave it here. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.